Steam clean like a pro. Ditch the chemicals and obliterate grime with BISSELL Power Steamer. Meet the BISSELL Power Steamer 3-in-1, the superhero of steam cleaning. This beastly machine blasts away dirt, grease, and grime with over 200 degrees Fahrenheit of high-temperature steam, wiping out 99.9% of germs, no chemicals needed. Whether you're tackling indoor messes, outdoor furniture, car interiors, or that 20-year-old grime haunting your floors, this steamer does it all. With 26 versatile attachments and a tri-mode design, upright, extended reach, or handheld, no nook or cranny is safe from your cleaning wrath. Forget flimsy steamers, this heavy-duty powerhouse is built to last and ready to transform your space. Unlike weak, underwhelming steamers that barely fog up a mirror, the BISSELL Power Steamer delivers real results. It heats up in just 30 seconds and maintains powerful steam flow, ensuring deep sanitization on every surface. The variable steam modes and on-demand trigger give you full control, so you can adjust intensity for delicate upholstery or unleash full power on grease-ridden stovetops. Plus, the 25-foot power cord lets you roam freely, making it perfect for garages, workshops, boats, and even RVs. Say goodbye to toxic cleaning sprays. This is all the muscle you need. Why settle for just a mop when you can have a multifunctional cleaning weapon? This steamer doesn't just clean floors, it conquers windows, cars, grout, appliances, patio furniture, and even upholstery. The brass bristle brushes obliterate caked-on filth, while the grout tool revives dull tiles like magic. Need a streak-free shine on mirrors and glass? The window squeegee has you covered. With onboard accessory storage and a wall mount for easy access, switching between tasks has never been smoother. One tool, endless possibilities. Your home, and car, and deck, and boat will thank you. Think of the time and money you'll save. No more expensive specialty cleaners, endless scrubbing, or replacing worn-out mops and rags. With BISSELL's heavy-duty design and washable microfiber mop pads, you'll get years of use without constant repurchases. Plus, its chemical-free steam ensures a safer home environment, especially if you have kids or pets. And let's be real, there's something ridiculously satisfying about watching years of grime melt away in seconds. Cleaning has never been this fun or effective. The BISSELL Power Steamer isn't just another cleaning gadget, it's a game-changer. Whether you're battling sticky kitchen floors, dingy grout lines, or your car's mystery stains, this beast delivers professional-grade cleaning at a fraction of the cost. So why keep struggling with weak steamers and overpriced cleaning supplies? Upgrade your cleaning game today and experience the raw power of steam.